Very good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to explain you one concept which is related to frictional force. That is when the vehicle is moving through the curved surfaces, so that there is a maximum speed along the curved surfaces. That means here, when vehicle is moving through the curved surfaces, there must be a maximum speed is required. There is some speed is required when vehicle moving through the curved surfaces. Further, when it is moving like a curved surface, so that the curved surface radius is r, and the vehicle is moving in the direction of a capital F, so that there is a frictional force is acting opposite to the motion of a vehicle. This is the concept. And here there is a maximum centripetal force acting towards the earth center. This is provided by the frictional force, because when the vehicle is moving through the curved surfaces, therefore the frictional force is provide the centripetal force. Therefore, according to this, we can say like this: this is the centripetal force Fc is equal to mv square by r, because this is we know, and as well as we know frictional force is equal to mu into mg. This is equation 1 it is, and this is equation 2. And there is a thing, the maximum, this frictional force is provided the centripetal force which is act towards the center. Centripetal is nothing but which act towards the center, so that these two are equal, because this centripetal force is due to the frictional force only. So we can write as, according to these expressions, 1 is equal to 2 ut. Therefore, mv square by r is equal to mu into mg. Then mm cancel. Therefore, here it is v square is equal to mu r g. Then v is equal to, there is a minimum that the speed is required, is maximum speed is required, is v is equal to root over mu rg. Mu is nothing but a coefficient of friction between the tire and the surface, and there is a radius of the curved surface. G is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. So this is the maximum speed is required when the vehicle is moving through the curved surfaces without any skidding. If the vehicle move with this speed, therefore vehicle is without skid, the vehicle move through the curved surfaces. This is the related concept. And as well as we can also find angular velocity also, because there is a continuation is there in this. Here we can also say centripetal force is mr omega square, we can, right, because there is a centripetal force we can also take as mr omega square. And coming to the frictional force is equal to mu mg. Now we are finding the angular velocity. Therefore, both equal, it is mr omega square is equal to mu into mg. This mass is cancelled. Then omega square is equal to mu g by r. Therefore, there it is to be angular velocity through the curved surfaces. We can say omega is equal to root over mu g r. So these two are the concepts related to, like when vehicle is moving through the curved surfaces, therefore there is a maximum speed is, we can say v is equal to root over mu rg, and as well as the angular velocity is omega is equal to root over mu g r. See, on this basis I want to tell you some problems also, because which is related to the JEE and NEET, right? See, once look at on the board, there is a one question is given. The question is, when car is moving through the curved surface and the radius of the curved surface is given as 18 meter, and when it is moving through the curved surface, there is a coefficient of friction between the tire and road is given as 0.2. Then find a maximum speed is asking. This is the question which is very important related to the JEE and NEET. Usually on this basis there is a one question is asking in competitive examinations. So that let us, here the given data you write. See, we can write as a given data. The radius of the curved part is 18 meter, and the friction is given, coefficient of friction is 0.2, and is asking speed. So there is a formula root over mu r g. We know g is 10 meter per second square. Now this you substitute here, therefore mu is 0.2, radius 18 meter, 10 it is, so that it is cancelled, 0 point is cancelled, v is equal to 18 to the 36. There is a speed is required, it is like 6 meter per second, because there will be a root 36 is nothing but we can say 6. So there is a speed is required for the given data. The given data, there is a speed is how much is required, it is a 6 meter per second. So like this we have different problems on this basis also. So which is actually related to the friction, right? We'll see some other problems on this basis also, right? Right, once look at on the board, there is a one question is given. The question is, a body of mass is 1 kg which is moving in a circular path of a radius is, there is a given radius is, let us look at here, 5 meter, and the coefficient of friction between the body and the surface of the circular path is given as mu is equal to 0.5. Then is asking find a angular velocity. So that we know there is a one more formula is there related to the angular velocity, that is we can write as omega is equal to root over rg by mu g by r. So of course the given data you write as mu value is given, radius is given, and we know g is 10 you take. Now these information supposed to substitute in the given expression, which is mu is 0.5 and 10 by it is 5. So this cancel, root over 5 by 5. So which is root 1. Then angular velocity 1 radians per second. So this is the two questions which is based on the when vehicle is moving or the bodies are moving through the curved surfaces. So these are the two examples. These are related to the JEE and NEET. Thank you very much. We'll see in the next video. Watch my videos regularly without fail. If any doubts are there, please suppose to message me. Then I'll explain you in the next class. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.